Sean.
Oh, hi, Dick. Hi, Dick. How you doing?
What's this?
Dick, I'm watching this movie. Hey, Dick. Dick.
Holy
Dick, what you think, Wayne?
Oh my Jesus Christ! Oh my God!
Hey, Dick, I'm watching this movie. Dick, I'm watching this movie.
Holy! I don't believe it! Oh my God!
Hey, Dick, I'm watching this really sucky movie. Did you direct it or something?
Holy!
Steven has you on.
Oh my God!
This is the ultimate.
Oh my God!
This is the gift from Steven. On TV's bloopers and blunders.
Oh my
Say hi.
God!
Yes, hi.
Say hi to TV's bloopers and blunders.
Hey, Dick, I'm
What the hell are you doing here?
Steven, it's a gift from Steven.
Oh my God!
Hey, Dick, we're gonna stay with you the whole time you're here. Yes, we're gonna learn how to climb ropes, and we're gonna learn how to swim.
Oh my God!
Hey, Dick, and we're gonna do sequels to this movie. There's gonna be Revenge of the...
Wait, I hear something.
Shut up!
Go get him. Go get him.
Who's that? The wrong way up. Who wants to do that? I don't believe it. Oh my God.
Looking for the friggin' lighthouse. Where's that friggin' lighthouse?
I don't believe it. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. This is unbelievable.
We had to work Dick, we're gonna climb rope and everything. We're gonna teach me how to climb rope and we're gonna
I'll give you Oh, is that funny? Holy shit.
Yeah. We're only staying till tomorrow morning, Dick.
Jesus.
How long do we stay? Hey, Dick.
I don't have my watch on.
Hey, Dick.
What?
You have select because all you got there is HBO. Hey, Dick, you have no cereal.
Wow.